400 million liters of water. Yep, you heard that right. Amazon just made a big move in New Delhi.
The Amazon Water Dialogues 2025 were recently held at India Habitat Center in New Delhi. Amazon announced its first ever water replenishment project in New Delhi, aiming to replenish a whopping 400 million liters of water.
The Amazon Water Dialogue is a platform that we have worked to create where people from the government, the civil society, NGO partners, like-minded organizations can come together and talk about what is it that we can do as a collective to make our country more water secure. Just some of the projects that we are working on that we spoke about earlier today, they're very close to my heart. One is about the lake regeneration that we are doing. One in Bangalore, which is the Yamare Lake, where we are giving back 270 million liters of water. The Hyderabad Lake, where we are giving back 300 million liters of water. And one that we announced just today. The first two are with Say Trees. The third, which we announced just today, is with Hasten Regeneration, where right here in Delhi, upstream of Yamuna, we are going to do a river water regeneration project, which is going to give back 400 million liters of water.
Wait a second. 400 million liters of water.
Absolutely, 400.
Amazon is a very data-oriented company.
Right.
If you can break down those 400 million liters of water for, me and our viewers, that'll be amazing, because that's a huge number.
That is a huge number. The size of the number is not as important as what it does. So think about India as a country, and you spoke about numbers. We have 18% of the world's population, but only 4% of the world's water resources. I live in Bengaluru, and over there, last year we had a situation where we almost approached day zero, where the groundwater was very, very depleted. When you see situations like this and you hear numbers like that, it makes it very visceral that all of us have to do our bit to give back. And this is the large investment-oriented projects that we do. But even from an operational rigor perspective, every single operating unit that we have, whether it's our fulfillment centers, our data centers, or it is our sortation centers, in every single operating unit, we make sure that we have water conservation, machine learning and AI-enabled water efficiency measures, and rainwater harvesting. So all of that put together is going to help us in our bold mission of giving back more water than we consume in our direct operations by 2027. We took this mission in 2024, that in the next 3 years, we're going to give back more than we consume in our direct operations.
So you talked about the future there as well when it comes to your commitment till 2027 there as well. This is a 2025, first of its kind. Not just Delhi. You were telling me that there are other cities that you're targeting as well. Tell us more about that.
So the Amazon Water Dialogues is a platform which is going to be in continuum or perpetuity, right? And the goal of 2027 is not a one and done. It's about from 2027 onwards, we are going to give back more water than we consume in our direct operations. So that goal is also a goal in perpetuity or in continuum. As we scale the Amazon Water Dialogues, you'll see us come around different cities in India. The calendar is yet to get formalized, but yes, Delhi is the seat of policy making. It's the place where the lens really broadens, and that's why we thought this is the right city to be the host city for the first chapter. But as we move along, we'll go around the country.
All right, there you go. You heard it from the man himself. 400 million liters of water for Delhi, and more coming as well. Thank you, Abhinav. We'll see you around.
Lovely meeting.
All the best.
Thank you.
This initiative will help local communities through infrastructure upgrades and new water-saving structures, which is a big step towards sustainable living.